Vic here with the Bagger Blog, and today we're going to be taking a close look at the ESM2 slip-on muffler by KessTech. Now the ESM2 stands for Electronic Sound Management System 2, and that's exactly what these slip-ons allow the rider to do, and that's manage sound. Through a combination of the slip-on's electrical and mechanical components, the rider can actually adjust the sound of his or her exhaust simply by pushing a button. And the best thing about them is that they're 100% in compliance with your region's existing exhaust sound laws. The pipes are legal when open at idle and at all times in first and fourth through sixth gear. So no more worrying about getting ticketed for loud pipes. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So as you can see, the pipes have a pretty straightforward design. It's a straight can profile pipe made from 1.5mm thick stainless steel. You've got a nice even black high temp finish, a clean looking billet end tip. You've got your standard mounting points featuring nice clean welds. And this button right here mounts to your hand controls and allows you to open or close the pipe. Now what you're looking at is the muscle behind the ESM2's sound. These stainless steel drive shafts open and close the pipe's internal flap valve, allowing for the pipe to go from sewing machine quiet to dumb loud. Here are a couple sound clips of the pipes in action. So who are these pipes for? Well, anybody concerned about getting ticketed for loud pipes, or maybe someone who leaves early in the morning for work, lives in a densely populated area, and is genuinely concerned about waking up the entire neighborhood. This pipe just may be for you. Now, if you're interested in obtaining a set of these pipes, visit the manufacturer's website at kesstech.de. That's KESSTECH.de. And from there, you'll be able to locate a KessTech dealer in your region. Now, for all you Southern California residents, you can purchase a set of these at Glendale Harley-Davidson. So thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and make sure you visit TheBaggerBlog.com for additional images on this item. Thanks a lot.